I was out there in the metro parks. I mean, the gorgeous weather. I mean, so many people today.
Yeah, it was very active out and about. You know, my wife and I are both huge fans of the metro parks. If we could both, even her, grow beards and just live in the forest, it'd be fantastic.
Okay.
Would you join us?
Yeah, no.
You'd have a weather forecast at least.
That would be nice.
You know, you bring Uber Eats, they'll bring you the food. Okay, anyway, all right. Well, yeah, it was gorgeous outside today. Let's take you through the last 6 hours of temperatures. See those lovely greens? Well, we didn't have them on St. Patty's Day, but we had them today. Many of you hitting 50 degrees plus today, the exception being up Lake Geauga and Ashtabula counties where we've got some of that thicker snowpack, which is starting to whittle away. We had temperatures that reach the upper 40s today. Beautiful look at the GOES 16 satellite here, showing some of that snowpack. You're looking at clear skies in motion here, but that snow gets really thick as you head up towards Erie and Crawford County still. So those temperatures tonight as a result of that snowpack will drop back easily into the 20s out there. But the bigger picture, that's what I like to look at. Yeah, we've got clear skies locally, some high clouds that'll float in here tomorrow morning. I think a nice looking sunrise outside if you've got your camera handy, but look at this off to the west. We've got a whole mess as weather system's really starting to develop now. And you can tell we're getting into springtime. We've got just such a difference in temperatures. We've got the cold air in place across the Great Lakes. It's spring-like down to the south, and that battle zone creating some strong to severe storms. We're looking at a pretty active pattern here across the southern half of the U.S. You can see some of those storms, areas of Kansas, also down towards areas of Louisiana and Texarkana. We've had some tornado warnings out of that. For us, not expecting severe weather, but we will bring these clouds in, and this system will play a role on our weather here over the next couple days. Tonight, nothing doing. We've got mainly clear skies, temperatures back into the 20s before daybreak. Hour by hour tomorrow, look at this, starting nice, right? Starting much like today, we should have temperatures in the 20s to near 30, but by afternoon, this doesn't look like today at all. We're going to have a lot of sunshine around, but the wind direction is key, as I mentioned. It'll be out of the northeast, so if you're in those lakeshore counties, your high temperature tomorrow may not get out of the low 40s. It's going to be much, much cooler with that northeast wind down to the south from Worcester. Spent the day in the Smithville area in Wayne County. Beautiful down there. You should still make it up well into the 40s, if not near 50 degrees. Tuesday, though, we start to talk that weather system. Clouds overspread the area. This is our model saying, yeah, we're going to have some snow around here by Tuesday evening. Two other models keep this south of us. This is going to be something you're going to want to tune into Holly tomorrow morning and Betsy tomorrow night to see the latest, because that track continues to shift. But for tomorrow, no weather worries whatsoever. We'll be up in the 40s. Don't forget a cold breeze. So let's take a look at that system. This is a model I'm more in tune with. This is the Euro bringing that system south of the area. So we're talking maybe Mansfield over towards Youngstown, some rain. Much of the area dry, though, as we head into Wednesday. It does spread some snow to the areas, mainly down to the south of Cleveland, and then it heads on out. Depending on the track of that low, though, that's going to drastically change whether we get snow or whether we stay dry. We dry out Thursday, Friday, and then, yeah, it looks like we have another system that moves in on in the next weekend. That one a little bit better bet that we're going to get some precipitation out of it. Here's the Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Those clouds increasing tomorrow. A cold breeze, 44 degrees. First day of spring, not really feeling like it. May have some snowflakes mixed with rain in the area. Sorry, Lena, I put flowers on there for you at least.
Aw, shucks.
Yeah, and that continues on into Wednesday. But, you know, if you're looking for the spring-like day we had today, I do not see it this week, unfortunately. I'm sorry.
All right. Okay, you can go back in the woods now.
I will.
Thank you, Matt. Coming up.